I love how much she loves swimming. Because I'm like that. I'm a Pisces. I'm very like into water, and she loves it. Well, even though she can't demand because she doesn't talk yet or anything, but we take her swimming every day, and she just loves it so much that we do it now every day, and because it's so hot, that she's loving. We got her a little baby pool, and we fill that up, or we take her in the big pool, and she's just like she's really loving it. We make sure we've got hats on her and stuff when she's outside because she has my skin, which is very sensitive to the sun. But yeah, like she's really enjoying it. We try to take her out for walks, like around, not the hot parts of the day, like sunset, around that, and it's really cute. And we're going to take her to Australia at the end of the year, so she'll get double summer, because then we come into summer in Australia, so she'll be living it up. When you walk in with a baby and people look at you like, oh, here we go, this is going to be a terrible flight. And then always at the end, they're like, oh my God, your daughter's so amazing. Because she's just so good. Like, she just sits there. We have taken her to quite a few places, Dubai and Aspen and the Caribbean already. So she's just, she is a good little traveler. So, but Ramona says that's because Ramona keeps her on the schedule. That is a very strict schedule with naps and feedings and everything. So Ramona says that's why she's good. Well, she just last week had her first word, which was mum. So I was like, because I have been trying to coach her in saying that for the last few weeks. And then she said it and I recorded it on my phone, and I was like, oh my gosh, like she's just like, everything she does kind of melts me, like her little smiles and everything. But that saying like the word mum, and she goes, mum, 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 like that. And that's her only word so far. But I was very, I don't know, all mothers are probably like, get so amazed by the little things their kids do. But I was like, I'm also amazed she can kind of do planks. And I was like, how does she do that? She's like, whoa, it's very impressive, her yoga abilities. She kind of does downward dog and planks. I don't know, because she's not really a crawler much, and I think she's trying to half stand and gets into these poses. I'm definitely thinking about it. I would like to have, another child. And it's just like, well, is that possible? I have to do IVF and, so we'll see how it goes. But I would like to have more children. I just, Reese is such a miracle. And if she's my only child, then amazing. So we'll see what happens. When she wakes up from a nap, and you first walk into her room, and the look Royce gives me and I give her, it's like, we've only maybe not seen each other for 45 minutes, and you're just like, and she's smiling, going, like it's the best thing that's happened in her life, that you've walked into the room, and then I'm like, Royce, and I just give it.
Join us for more news on your favorite celebrities. Until then, keep spreading love and joy.